Hi, my name is Ty West with SkipperBud's here in Lake Fenton, Michigan. You're looking at a 2022 Barletta Corsa 23-foot QC. So that means quad lounger with co-captain's chair, which I'll show you on the boat. Really pretty blue and black mix there with the Corsa emblem up front, Barletta in the middle there. You've got some controls located on the outside of the boat, so if you are in the water, you can control your stereo system without having to be on the boat or climb out of the water and get into the boat. Got your ski tow bar. This is a two-tune, powered by a 115 horse Mercury command thrust. But let's hop up on the boat and see what we got. So you got a big extended deck in the back here. Lots of room to move. You can see here from my feet to the front, tons of room. And when we say quad lounger, you've got four of these. 4 loungers with armrests built in, 2 at the back, 2 at the front. And I see that co-captain's chair is what you got there. The co-captain's chair is really nice. Tilts, slides, spins like any seat, any normal seat should there. You got a dual USB power outlet there for charging, a cell phone holder, and a couple cup holders as well. At the captain's helm, really nice helm area, flush mounted Simrad 7 GPS, and pretty simple, easy to look at gauges on this boat. This is a 12-person capacity. The helm does have a storage spot there built right in, little glove box for you with access, easy access to your fuses are there as well. You see that little hole, everything drains, so everything drains right out of this boat. And Barletta exclusive food and water bowls are built right in for your pups there. So here's the front again. You do have a table built in that will actually fold up. Some legs come down. You've got a table built right into the boat. Well, come on in, check out the 2022 Barletta 23QC here at SkipperBud's Lake Fenton. And my name is Ty. Be glad to help you out.